Okay. So guys, this, okay, gx, you use gx equal to hx square plus k for this number, which is, okay, salin balik. You just ingat balik apa yang kamu belajar sebelum ni. Okay, x, which is 2. So, sorry. Apa ni? Sorry, saya nak buat macam ni sepatutnya. Okay, 5. Okay, gx, right? Okay, so you just tukar je lah, masukkan which is you dapat h 2 square plus k equal to 5. This is the function for gx, right? So the equation use image of, object of 2. G2. So that's why dapat sini, you kena gantikan sebagai 2 plus k. And then dia bagi equal to 5. So you just make it equal to 5. And then you dapat 4h plus k equal to 5. Okay, this is for the first equation. Okay, for the second one, siapa yang dah dapat sini? GF1 equal to -1. Ada yang dah dapat dah? Siapa dapat? This one composite function. Ini adalah nilai gabungan, which is you combine the function of g and the function of fx. Macam mana cara dia? Okay, caranya adalah you buat, okay, gf1 equal to -1. So that 1, okay, you replace in the function of fx. Macam inilah maksud dia. Okay, function of x is 2 over x minus 3, right? So you gantikan 2 over 1 minus 3. Close bracket equal to -1. So 2 over -2 is -1. So g -1 equal to -1. So g -1, which is, you have to use the function given here, which is gx equal to hx square plus k. So gantikan kat sini h -1 square plus k equal to -1. And then get h plus k equal to -1. Okay, so guys, now you have two equations. How to find the value of h and k? Okay, now you have to use simultaneous equation to find the value of k. Macam mana nak cari? Macam mana nak gunakan you punya simultaneous equation? Betul, we can. H square, h equal, h 2k equal to -3, correct? Okay, sekarang ni macam mana nak gunakan? Okay, 4h plus k equal to 5, and then h plus k equal to -1. Okay, ingat balik. For solving simultaneous equation, you have two methods. You ada dua method. Yes, using elimination. You can using elimination or using substitution method. So depend on your keselesaan, depend pada kamu. If you think that elimination is more easier than substitute method, so you just use elimination method. But for me, okay, I love to use elimination method. Saya lagi suka guna elimination method. Okay, so macam mana nak gunakan elimination method? Okay, you see here, you have to choose, you want to eliminate either one lah. Either you want to eliminate H or you want to eliminate K. Tapi untuk yang ini, more easier if you eliminate K. Sebab this is single K and then here is single K. So for both equation, you have to minus lah. Sebab you nak eliminate, kamu nak singkirkan K dekat situ. So K minus K become 0. So 4H minus H become 3H equal to 5 minus 1 becomes 6. So H become 6 over 3 H is equal to 2. So value for K, to find the value for K is just replace H in the equation. So H plus K equal to -1. So H is 2 plus K equal to -1. And then K equal to -1, -2. So K equal to -3. Magic. Mathematics kan magic. Okay. Nampak tak? Saya takkan bincang soalan yang GF. Soalan B tu dia suruh kamu, okay, find GF, right? Okay, GF ni saya tak bincangkan. I will not discuss this question sebab you just use lesson that we are learn yesterday, which is you just combine the function of G and F to find the value GFX. Okay, yang ini just combine macam biasalah. Siapa sempat buat yang ini? Berapa jawapan dia untuk B? Okay, B dia suruh kamu find GF. Siapa dapat sempat buat? Ada tak? Hello, doing ah. Okay, buat dulu. Which is given, okay, GX equal to 2X square minus 3. Just replace the value for H and K. Jangan gunakan HX square plus K. Sebab you dah dapat, you already get the value for H and K. So you just replace the value for H and K in the function of GX lah. Okay. And then Fx equal to 2 over X minus 3. Okay, so find GF. Guys, hari ni saya nak tengok. Hari ni saya nak suruh you in the end punya our class. I want you all of you to turn on your camera Boleh? Buka kamera masing-masing.
Don't know how
Don't know how? Katrina, insert je. Substitute the value. Okay, GFX first. Cuba buat dulu. Doing. Jingshuan Y. Oh, kenapa nak turn on camera? Sajalah, saya dah lupa dah kamu punya muka macam mana. Tak kira saya nak suruh kamu turn on camera juga hari ni, boleh? Kok Hao, dia tadi lagi saya panggil dia. Dia ada ke tak sebenarnya? Kok Hao, are you there?
Ya.
Oh, ada. Watch majalah sekolah, tak nak saya dah lupa yang mana satu which is Jingshuan, which is Waikin, I already forget. So kena turn on camera hari ni. No lah, sebab saya nak ambil gambar lah. Saya nak ambil gambar, I want to snap my attendance today. So kena buka lah kamera. Okay, siapa dah dapat? I forgot. Got names in the majalah. Okay, first G F X. Okay. G. Buat satu-satu lah sayang. So, G. Where is Fx? Fx is here, right? So. Right? So, Gx. This is a Gx. So, next step macam mana? Okay, Gx. What is the function of Gx here? This is the function of Gx. So that you have to make it, put the value of 2 over x minus 3 in this function. Put the value of 2 over x minus 3 in this function which is in the gx function. So it will become, yes, betul. Betul, Jingshuan. 2 over x minus 3 close bracket square minus 3. Okay, how to solve this equation, this question? Macam mana you nak solve this equation? You have two choices. Either you, yes, mestilah kena guna matematik. Okay, either you expand 2 over x minus 3 ataupun you can use like this lah. 2 over 2 square become 4 x minus 3 square minus 3. So after that, tengok satu-satu. So 2 times 4 is 8. So 8 over x minus 3 square minus 3. So guys, how to solve this one? How to solve this one? As usual, you boleh juga open bracket ataupun you tak nak open bracket. As usual, you have to make it same. The denominator must same before you minus both number. Sebab you kan nak kena buat you macam mana nak selesaikan the fraction. How to solve the fraction? You mesti kena samakan dia punya penyebut pengangka dekat bawah kan. This one we call as a denominator. Okay, to solve the fraction question, you have to make it the denominator become same. So how? 8 minus 3 x minus 3 square. So this one is x minus 3 square. So after that, 8 minus 3, x minus 3 square. Expand. X minus 3 square, you expand this question akan jadi apa? Ingat lagi tak expand macam mana? Ingat kan, you expand the equation, so you akan dapat x square, minus 6x plus 9, close bracket, over x minus 3 square. So yang ini, you just times as usual, dah macam biasa, you akan dapat 8, negative 3 times x square become negative 3x square. Negative 3 times negative 6x become plus 18x. Negative 3 times positive 9 become negative 27. So, x minus 3. So the answer is negative 3x square plus 18x minus 19 over x minus 3 square. So this is the answer. Siapa yang dapat jawapan macam ni? Raise up your hand.
Cikgu, I thought your times become
Yes.
sama, so the x minus 3 square should be missing what?
Mana? Which one?
I thought when you times the...
Nanti I ada kejap Kok Hao I ada rakam, nanti you tengok balik Okay, Katrina.
I
Mana
thought the
Katrina?
x minus 3 square, I thought dia need to hilang.
Sini, you nak potong. Tak boleh
boleh?
potong lah sayang. Mana boleh potong? Tak boleh. Kenapa tak boleh potong? Why cannot potong? Sebab, hello teacher Amelia, okay, Nicole. Sebab, this one is satu ungkapan. You perasan tak? Ini adalah satu ungkapan. You tak boleh potong sini dengan sini. Sebab, it didn't have the x minus 3 square. Still tak boleh potong. Okay. You kena faham dekat sini. Sini, why I have to do like this? Because you want to solve this operation, this minus operation. Okay. Okay contoh 2 bahagi A minus B. Okay, 2 divided by A minus B. Okay, minus 3. How you solve this equation? Macam mana you solve this equation? You have to make it the
A minus
denominator
B.
become same, right? Become same, right? You kena jadikan this one is A minus B and then A minus B. Betul?
Uh-huh.
Betul tak? Betul tak? Betul tak?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So 2 minus 3 A minus B. So over A minus B. I'm correct?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So that, dia memang tak boleh potong sini dengan sini. Sebab this is not, ini adalah one dalam satu ungkapan.
Okay.
Okay. Sama juga macam ini. So you cannot cut here, cut here. You have to expand this. I don't know how come negative 6x. Negative 6x. Where negative 6x? Mana negative 6x saya? Oh, sini. Expand. Okay. Ingat lagi tak x minus 3, x minus 3. Macam mana boleh, how my calculation from here become like this? Kenapa? Sebab, okay, x minus 3, x minus 3. Ini yang you dah belajar masa form 2. Okay, x and then x minus 3. So, minus 3x minus 3. So, you akan dapat x square minus 3x minus 3x plus 9. So, you akan dapat x square minus 6x plus 9. Okay. So, that's why kita dapat macam ini. Okay. Try to do. Okay, wait. Try to do, okay, number 2, soalan number 2, A. Sebab the same type of question with number 4. Okay, buat buka surat 19, page 19, number 2A. Okay, number 2A Boleh? Oh, apa yang tulis ni? Kejap No, tak busy pun. Sekejap, I banyak sangat.
Cikgu, sekarang buat apa?
Ya, buat dalam buku lah. Takkan nak buat. Lepas tu nak buat kat mana? Mesti buat dalam buku, sayang. Yes, number 2. Buat yang itu je, lepas tu baru kita proceed kepada apa tu? Proceed pada apa ni? Inverse. Inverse function. Guys, you tengok I sendiri pun tengok I sendiri pun ada buku macam you tengok tu. Before I teach your class, I already do your homework first and then baru I bagi you homework. Ni tengok buku saya. Nampak tak? I punya calculation. Pun sama macam you punya calculation. Sebab tu lah I kata matematik at maths you kena tak nampak. Every day you have to do at maths. Okay, saya buka, I turn to page yang tadi yang kita buat. This one. Okay, this one. Same like number 2. Okay, anyone already get the answer, just raise up your hand. Siapa yang dapat jawapan tu, angkat tangan. Hoiwan tak ada dia tak ada tak nampak dia pun. Dia hilang. Yes. 2 hash k 2 hash plus k equal to 5 for the first equation. H equal to 3. YK! Betul! Yeah, betul. YK tak tiru jawapan kat belakang kan? You do buat sendiri kan? Tengok lagi laju daripada Mark punya jawapan. YK ni buat sendiri kan? Okay, betul lah tu. Tengok lagi laju. Mak dia baru come out dengan dia punya first question. You dah dapat jawapan. You can beat the legend lah today, Waikin. A equal to, he put water. A equal to 5/6. A equal to 5/6. Mak dia dah buat soalan yang first and yang the second one. Okay, buat A pula. FGA equal to 3. First equation is mana-mana pun boleh. First equation is 3H plus K equal to 8, yes. And then second equation is 2H plus K equal to 5. Cepat Waikin. Waikin cepat
Cikgu,
Waikin.
dah.
Yeah.
H equals to 3, K equals to -1.
Yes. Yeah, betul. Betul. Buat soalan B. Soalan B ni the value of A if FG A equal to 3. Budak betul lah. Budak betul tu yang cikgu excited tu, cikgu budak betul lah. Okay, cuba buat B pula. B berapa? Mak already get the answer 5/6. Yan Sua, K plus 2. K plus, Yan Sua, K plus 2. K plus 2. Yan Sua buat yang mana ni? Number 1, right? Oh. K equal to -1. Mesti ada salah kira. H equal to 3. H sama dengan 3. K sama dengan -1. Cuba check balik. Cuba check balik you punya calculation Yan Sua. Teacher, the H equal to 3 sub into where? Into, yes. Five over 6 je. Yes, Waikin. Betul. Waikin buat sendiri Yeay. Dah habis kelas lah macam tu. Yang lain okey tak? Kuan Yong okey tak? Belum lagi lah saya nak masuk inverse function. Aaron okey tak? Bernice dapat. Aaron, Bernice, Jingshuan, Chelsea, Waikin, Jinsheng okey tak? Aaron okey tu dapat tak? Dapat tak? Dapat. Okay, yes. Yeay. Lagi, Jinsheng okey tak? Hian Sua okey tak tadi? Hian Sua dah dapat dah belum? Ya, okay. Kalau tak dapat, kalau malu nak bagi tahu dalam ni, nanti you bagi tahu. Nanti bagi tahu personal tau. Nanti kalau you tak, in case kalau macam cikgu, saya tak dapat lah soalan tadi, nanti bagi tahu personal Okay, Miki. Ching Tong, Jing, Kok Hao okay tak? Are you okay, guys? Nicole, Fatin okay? Okay, dapat tak?
Tak boleh lah cikgu. Why I get some weird
Tak
thing.
dapat yang mana? Word thing?
B.
B. Dapat A. Okay. Sherilyn dapat tak Sherilyn? Nanti jap. Sherilyn okey tak? Okey cikgu. Sherilyn okey? Zishi okey. Zenshi okey tak? Kaizin, Tarini. Okay, good. Kaizin, Tarini, Huizin, Shenkit, Zifeng, Peggy. Okay guys, kalau ada siapa-siapa yang tak dapat tu, you boleh PM saya tepi. Kalau malu juga nak PM saya, you can ask your friend. Boleh tanya kawan-kawan kamu yang mana dapat, okay? So yang B, which is B, the value for B is A equal to 5/6, okay? Yang ini, okay, siapa yang dapat tadi? Sekejap. So this one, okay. First, you have to convert, you have to substitute the value of H and K in the function of G lah. Sebab you kena dapatkan the real function for Gx, which is, okay, Fx, okay, equal to X over X minus 1. And then Gx, okay, tadi dah dapat the value for H and K, right? So just substitute the value H and K in the function of Gx, which is you akan dapat Gx equal to 3X minus 1. So now, okay, soalannya adalah, okay, kalau kita perhatikan, okay, the question is, they ask you to find the F, G, A equal to 3. Okay, before this, we already use the, before this, the question always use X. Dia selalu gunakan X, tapi yang ini dia gunakan A. Okay, tapi tak ada beza pun, you just substitute the value of A, the A tu in the function of Gx, which is you akan dapat, okay, F, G, A. Okay, G, A, masukkan dalam ni lah, dia akan jadi 3A minus 1 equal to 3. A, nampak tak? A saya macam 9 pula. A, selalu sebelum ni you gunakan X kan? So this one, A, you just put in the X. Okay, so that kita akan dapat 3A minus 1. So here, this is Fx, right? Ini adalah Fx. So this is the value for X. Kita dapatkan, gunakan masuk dalam inilah. Kita akan dapat 3A minus 1 over 3A minus 1 equal to 3. Kenapa minus 1 lagi? Sebab ini 3A minus 1. This one, 3A minus 1. So minus 1 this is the function for Fx. So here you akan dapat 3A minus 1 over 3A minus 2 equal to 3.
Cikgu, I stuck di
mana?
sini.
Yang ini you darab je lah. You just transfer denominator ni to your right side. Ini, darabkan je lah. Bawa pergi sana. Bawa pergi kanan untuk you darab.
Oh.
Ya, ini kan bahagi. This one is divide, right? So you transfer to your right side become multiple. Dia akan jadi darab. So kita akan dapat 3A minus 1 equal to 3 in bracket 3A minus 2. And then, so that 3A minus 1 equal to 3 times 3A become 9A minus 6. So just kumpulkan A with A with A dengan A with A and then the whole number dengan whole number lah. Dapat Jing Xuan. So, kita dapat 3A minus 9A equal to negative 6 plus 1. So negative 6A equal to negative 5. So A equal to negative 5 over negative 6. Negative A equal to 5 over 6. Okay.
Nombor salah, but almost correct.
Sure, if my whole working step use X, then at last only change to A also can write. Boleh. Boleh, tapi make sure in the end you have to make it X equal to A lah. You kena state dalam you punya calculation lah, let X, contohnya macam you katakan let X equal to A. Sebab itu barulah, so you punya examiner tu tahulah apa yang you buat. Tapi kalau you lupa pun, in the end you bagi tahu X equal to 5 over 6 or A equal to 5 over 6 pun dah betul. Yang penting macam I bagi tahu, you tahu. Sebab dia punya marking step, dia punya markah tu depend on your punya working step. Okay, so we go to the new subtopic which is inverse function. Okay, boleh Okay, so for inverse function, okay, the inverse function ni inverse lah. Okay, dia punya inverse. Kalau dalam dia punya explanation in your textbook is inverse function of a function f can be written as f. Kalau nampak f index -1 ni, ini we call as a inverse function for f. For example, okay, fx equal to x plus 2, and then what is an inverse inverse function of x is x minus 2. Okay, saya tak nak refer sangat punya buku sebab terlalu banyak, a lot of sentence dekat situ. Teacher, Aaron need to leave class because got family matter to attend. Okay, bye Aaron. Okay, so inverse function. What is exactly inverse function? Okay, sebelum ni macam you tahu kan? Okay, function must have one image. Betul? Sebelum ni belajar, okay, one object or many object will for the function must have one image. Okay, contoh macam ni lah. Okay, x, okay, and then y. We have y. So this is a object. So this is image. Okay, object. Okay. So this is f. So fx, okay, saya buat kat sini fx. Okay, the object for fx is y. Okay, so what is inverse function? Inverse tu adalah dia patah balik ke belakang lah. Inverse, you tahu kan macam dia reverse lah. Dia reverse. So reverse from image become object. So this is for the, which is kalau you buat dekat sini, in the equation, kalau you transfer in the equation from the diagram, you transfer to the equation, dia akan jadi f inverse y become x. Okay, but for inverse function, okay, untuk inverse function, it will only have one object, one image sahaja. Okay, sebab sebelum ni you tahu kan, kalau function, okay, function, we can have, sebelum nota ni saya bagi kan, okay, you have one object, one image. Or many object, you will have one image. Betul tak? Sebelum ni kita belajar macam itulah. One object, okay, for one to one. Okay, or many to one. This is for the function. But for function, tapi untuk function, you kena faham for function only have one to one, which is image one, and then we'll have object one. Okay, itu sahaja. Itu adalah untuk for inverse function. So ini yang kamu kena faham. So object, image, okay, fx, object, and then image is y. So kalau untuk inverse, okay, dia bagi, the question will give you image, and then you have to find the object. So this is for the inverse. Okay, contohnya, okay, saya bagi soalan yang senang. Okay, soalan yang simple untuk kamu. Okay, contohnya kita ada example dia, kita ada macam ini. Okay, in the diagram, we have, so dalam bentuk diagram ni kita ada x, need to copy, copy, lupa pula. Guys, copy. Nah. Tapi dengarlah dulu nanti, sebab nanti you tak faham. Sambil you copy, sambil you dengar, nanti you terlepas, you tak faham. Sebab I record this teaching today, so nanti I post. Ataupun you can snap the notes, and then nanti habis kelas baru you salin. Okay, tapi for now you have to focus on my explanation first. Okay, so here I put, okay, x, which is object, this is object, and then this is image. Oh, sorry. Okay. This is object. Okay, this is image. So I put here is 1, 2, okay, and then 3, 5. Okay, which is, okay, 1, image there is 2. Okay, and then 3, the image is 5. Okay, so my question is find, okay, inverse function of 2. And then B, okay, inverse function of 5. C, okay, I ask you to find image, the object for 2, the object for 5, and then this one, the image for 3. And then D, the image for, okay, so kalau ada diagram, you can refer the diagram. F inverse function of 2, which is you akan nampak dekat sini. Okay, F2, okay, so the answer is 1 lah. Sebab dia terbalik. So kalau ini, this is a function fx. So from here, this is f. So and here, this is f inverse. So f inverse 2 is 2. The function, the answer is 1 lah. F inverse 5. So the answer is 3. So ini kalau dia bagi diagram lah. F3, the answer is 5. Ini F1 Okay, F1, the answer is 2.
2.
Yes. Ini kalau dia bagi diagram. If the question give you the diagram, so you can refer the diagram to find the answer. Boleh refer kepada diagram tu untuk cari jawapan. Okay, Rishi baru masuk Form Rishi ni pergi mana? Okay, boleh Okay. So kita tengok kepada, kita tengok kepada contoh. Okay, look at the example. Okay, kalau example 13 tu itulah. Example 13 apa yang I dah bagi tahu tadi lah. In the arrow diagram on the right, okay, the function f maps to xy. Okay, the function of f maps x to y. Nampak dekat sini x. Okay, x to y. Yeah, x to y. So that from the given arrow, we obtain that, okay, dia tanya you inverse function of 1/4. So 1/4. Okay, so the answer is 2 lah. Inverse. Okay, and then for f inverse function of 5, so the answer is 3. Okay. Okay, sekarang ni kita nak cari nilai. Okay, to find the value for f inverse function of 3 without the question giving you the diagram. Tanpa dia bagi you diagram. So first, you tengok dekat sini. Okay, a function is defined as fx equal to x over x minus 4. Determine A, the image of 2 under f. Okay, the image of 2. So apa yang ditanya dekat sini is macam biasa yang kamu buat lah. The image of 2 which is f2. Image. Maksudnya image kepada nombor 2 which is 2 is object lah. 2 is the object. So you just substitute the value of 2 in the function of fx. Masukkan nilai dia, so dapat inilah. 2/2 minus 4 equal to -1. Okay, but for B, okay, the question is dia tanya kamu the inverse function for 3. You nampak tak diagram yang dilukis kat sini? A to 3. So sekarang dia tanya inverse function of 3. So macam mana nak buat? Okay, caranya adalah okay, f inverse function of 3. Okay. And then, okay, let A become f inverse function of 3. Let A. Dia katakan, okay, jadikan dia sebagai let A become Okay, so ini just so that FA, FA ni, you just put in the function of fx become A, kita dapat okay, A over A minus 4 equal to 3. Macam ini je lah. Okay, nampak tak? Sekejap Tak suka contoh yang atas tu. Contoh yang atas ni lah. Okay, X over X minus 4. Okay, and then dia kata find okay guys, dalam buku teks tu, dia just put A. Okay, dia ambil, just letakkan A. Mana buku teks saya? Okay. Dia ambil the A. Kalau you nak gunakan B, C, D pun also can. Boleh. Depend daripada you punya ni lah. Depend pada kamu lah nak gunakan. Tapi yang ini dia just let A. Okay, let A. Dia lukis diagram ni untuk bagi nampak you lagi more clear. Untuk lagi jelas. Okay, tapi calculationnya adalah kalau you tak nak lukis diagram pun. Okay, just buat macam ni lah je lah. Okay, let A become. Okay, and then FA equal to 3. Okay, FA equal to 3. So A, okay, just replace lah A in the side of, in the terms of X here. Just gantikan A dalam X dekat sini. So, you akan dapat A minus 4 equal to 3. So, A equal to 3, A minus 4. So, A equal to 3A minus 12. A, okay, 12 equal to 3A minus A. 12 equal to 2A. A equal to 6. So, that F3 equal to 6. Okay, nampak tak? Okay, try to do 1.8 B. 2B. Cuba buat soalan latih diri 1.8 2B. Cuba buat dulu, faham ke tak? 2B dan 2D. B and D.
Tak faham.
Tak faham? Let. You just gantikan je. Katrina, tengok sini ya. Let A become F. Okay, perhatikan dekat sini Look at here. Tadi boleh faham Katrina ni. Tengok sini Okay. A, 3. You nampak tak apa maksud dekat sini? A. Okay. For the function of, for the object A, it will get 3. Betul tak? Untuk objek A, kita akan dapat 3. Okay, sekarang ni the question asks you to find the value of A. So that's why from 3, you nampak tak macam ni? Okay, F inverse function of 3 will get A. So that's why FA equal to 3. Sini kan biasa. Okay guys, kalau you tengok dekat sini, kalau you buat Fx, okay, 2, 4. Okay, apa yang buat dekat sini? F2 equal to 4. Right, Petrina? Betul tak? F2 equal to 4.
Ya.
Okay, betul So, I gantikan 2 become A. I gantikan 2 become A. So, the A can change to anything that boleh. You nak guna Z pun boleh. A, B, C. You nak gunakan X pun boleh. You nak gunakan A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Boleh-boleh. Yang ini dia just assume the unknown value is A. Dia just assume, dia andaikan nombor yang kita tak dapat cari tu adalah A. Okay, kita nak sampai sini. You nampak sini, you faham kan? F2 equal to 4, betul? Okay, but now you have to put in your mind, we didn't know the value for A. You tak tahu A tu, tapi kita ada image dia. Object, image. Given that, kan saya dah bagi tahu tadi, ini adalah image dia. So, given that 3 here. Tapi kita tak tahu berapa image, we didn't know dia punya object. Kita tak tahu berapa object dia. So, that's why F, A is 3. F, A is 3. Nampak tak relation dia? Okay, boleh? So, after that, FA ni, you just replace A ni. Katrina angkat tangan kenapa? Oh, salah. Okay. Okay, you just, okay, A this one. A, you put in the function of here lah. This is fx. Tapi sekarang you nak cari fa. So, that's why you have to change x become A. So, A over A minus 4. So, B is 3 over 4, right?
Huh?
So, that's why, kejap Jinchuan. Okay. This one is fx. Betul? Sekarang you nak cari fa. So, that's why you have to change x become A. So, A over A minus 4 equal to 3. Okay. Boleh? Sekejap. Okay, cuba buat dulu Petrina. Betul. 3 over 4. Yes, 3 over 4. Okay, tengok Gx equal to 5 over 2 minus x. Okay, and then Hx equal to 3x plus 6. Okay, fine. The first is, dia suruh kamu cari find. Okay, you kena tengok diagram. You kena faham apa dia punya kaitan, dia punya diagram and dia punya object and image. Okay, so here, given that, find B is G4. Okay, yang ini cuba nak cari. Okay, let. Jadikan dia let. Kok Hao, kenapa finally? Dapat jawab ke?
Ha?
Tak, finally. Kok Hao tanya finally. So,
Buat
ini macam
soalan
mana?
mana?
Buat soalan. Page 21, number 2B. Two B and 2D. Boleh Petrina? Okay, nampak tak dekat sini? Okay, nampak tak kesan siapa yang masih sugoi? Sugoi tu apa? Okay, kalau you faham the diagram, if you understand the diagram, so this is object, this is image. Okay, macam I bagi tahu tadi. Okay. Inverse function is the question give you the image. Dia bagi you image and then they ask you to find the object. Dia bagi nilai image, lepas tu dia suruh kamu cari object dia berapa. So here, you nampakkan kat sini. Kalau I buat dalam, if I transfer in the diagram form, so you tahu A, you tak tahu. You didn't know the object for image 4. You tak tahu berapa nilai object bagi image 4. So that's why I lukis diagram macam ni. Okay. Inverse 4 is A. So you nampak tak daripada sini G, okay, GA, you akan dapat, okay, G let Okay, GA become 4. Like GA become 4. That's why you have to put A. Okay, GX is 5 over 2 minus X. Kalau GA, you just substitute A in the X. Become 5 over 2 minus 4 equal to 4. So 5 over negative 2 equal to 4. Betul ke? Tertina dapat tak?
A equals to 3 over 4.
Betul. Macam mana you buat? Betul lah tu. Dapat tak? Okay, cuba buat B pula. Two minus A.
For D, A equals to 1.
For D,
A equals to 1.
for D. Sekejap, saya cek jawapan. Ha, betul.
Okay, tanya cikgu.
Okay, faham dah, nampak dah? 5 minus, okay, for A equal to 3, A equal to 3 over 4. You kena faham. For those yang tak dapat jawapan, you have to understand this diagram. Kena fahamkan dia punya inverse. After menangis dan faham. Ya ke menangis? Tak nampak, tak dengar you menangis pun. Hai. Okay. Sampai situlah. Saat minggu ni tiga kali. Three times our class. Isnin, Rabu and Khamis. Okay, guys, saya nak bagi homework lah. Tapi yang latest punya homework, Kok Hao okay tak Kok Hao? Kok Hao okay tak? Huhu. Okay. Kena okay lah. Okay guys, cepatlah turn on you punya kamera. Siapa yang sudi untuk turn on dia punya kamera? Here, there. Cepatlah saya nak ambil gambar ni. Satu dah. Berjaya juga lah. Guys, jangan live dulu lah. Saya tak ambil attendance lagi. Siapa yang dah live? Jangan live lagi. Cepat. Sekejap I export attendance dulu. Sekejap. Cepat turn on you punya kamera. Jangan lupa senyum tau. Boleh pula cikgu pesan jangan lupa senyum. Sekejap. Siapa lagi? Cepat. Mana lagi ni? Kok Hao, Pei Yi, Jing Xuan, Huizin. Siapa lagi? Pei Yi, Chelsea. Sekejap. Sekejap. Okay. Mana lagi? Cepatlah. Malulah budak-budak ni. Siapa lagi cepat? Semua tak nak. Fatin, Kashin, Jin Sheng, Tarini, Yen Sua, Miki, Zishi. Petrina, saya tak ambil gambar lagi lah. Petrina, turn on back. Kok Hao belum lagi lah. Saya tak ambil gambar lagi lah. Buka balik kamera. Okay, Waikin, Kashin, Jin Sheng. Mana lagi cepat? Cepatlah, buka lah. Nicole mana? Nicole, buka lah ni kamera. Waikin, I tak nak you punya bilik lah. I nak you punya face. I tak nak you punya finger. Saya tak nak jari kamu lah. Saya nak muka kamu, Ayu. Okay, cepat. Satu. Senyum tau. Senyum. Okay, 1, Iman. Okay. Sekejap. 1, 2, 3. Sekejap. 1, 2. Why Kim? Kenapa tunjuk jari je? 1, 2, 3. Zishi malu Okay dah. Okay, thank you guys. Nanti saya update you punya homework Ada homework
Thank you,
tau.
teacher. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Zishi malu Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye. Happy weekend. 사랑해. 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 Bye. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.